Okay, this is part two. I'm going to go over all the exterior of the building. So right here is College Avenue. Again, lots of traffic coming through here. So as I mentioned, there's 4 units. Number one here is this downstairs, which is also for sale. I believe it's over 3,000 square foot, but this is number one. And then the 3 other units, 2, 3, and 4, the one for sale, are upstairs. All right, so that's entrance to unit number 1, and actually let me just show you some things as I reference. So the exterior, again, almost 100 years old, so there's going to be definitely signs of settlement, and here's a big crack. If they're horizontal and vertical, sometimes okay, but when it's diagonal like this, there's been movement. But again, this is a building that's very old. You can see some cracks over there. You can feel that throughout the upstairs. So here's the entrance to the other units. You can see the sign there, number 2, 3, and 4. Here's the garage. I do need to get some details in terms of, I saw the picture of the garage. I don't know if that's necessarily associated with this particular unit. But here we have the common areas, which is this garden, a little grill. I believe this is part of unit 1, so these 2 doors here, and then the 3 other units are upstairs. Okay, so here's some more cracks. You see that right there behind the flowers. And now we'll move here. Upstairs, here's some more cracking. And this is stucco, so it could just be surface level, but again, feeling the floors, it's more than that. This deck definitely needs to be replaced sometime soon, which would be a part of the HOA. It definitely feels weak and weathered. You can see some posts have already been replaced at some point. And then here you can see a lot of dry water damage. And more cracks right there. More cracks right there. All that is rotted. So these are things that would have to handle by the HOA. But again, judging from some of the notes and the disclosures, it appears that the money is maybe not managed the best. And again, here's another huge crack. I don't know if you can see from this angle, but all the stairs are leaning towards this way, so you can tell they've tried to reinforce this along the way, but the real thing that needs to be done is a replacement of this entire deck. I don't know if you're going to feel comfortable walking up here without it being replaced, since you can see more damage, cracking, water damage down here. So here's unit number 2, unit number 3, and then unit for sale here. Oddly, the door handle is super low. You can see that. Looks like a lot of water is collecting right here. I don't know how it's getting in. Maybe some wind, water comes here, it settles here. So it's one of the reasons why everything's just kind of leaning in that direction, somewhat parallel to the street. Okay. So I think that covers about everything. Video number 1 is the interior. Video number 2, I just went over the exterior. I did mention this to Linda already. They have received 3 offers. The agent said that they were contingent because not all the disclosures were available. So they've decided to set an offer date of next Monday, which is June 8th. So I will connect with you if you have any questions. Thank you again.